This video is about thread the needle or eye of the needle pose. Hi, my name's Jessie and today we're going to go over some yoga basics. You want to start off in table pose and we'll do a fun variation as well. So you can start off by taking your left arm. It might help to swing it up and then just thread it underneath your right shoulder. Come down to that right forearm. Stretch the arm out. Come down to the left shoulder, left side of the head. You can stretch this right arm out and try to pull that right hip back. Stay here for a few breaths. Try to make sure that your shins are on the mat. You can also take this right hand here and push it into the floor. If this isn't comfortable for you, you can come back, bring your hips to your knees, kind of go to child's pose and stretch out this way. Well done. Another variation is to stretch out your right leg. Another variation that we can do is stretch out the right leg, really pressing into the pinky toe side of the right leg. Come on down and just reach towards your calf. Just stretch that right arm out. Maybe you can reach towards your toes. The calf is a really good place to start though. Just stay here for a few breaths. Good job. Come back and as always, switch sides. Just bring that right arm up, swing it underneath, come down to the right shoulder, right side of the head, maybe pushing that left arm into the mat, pulling that left hip back. And if it's more comfortable, bring your hips to your heels. Maybe stretch that left arm out in front of you. At this point, your right shoulder probably won't be on the floor. That's okay. It's still a good stretch for your upper body. And if your right shoulder isn't on the floor, that's all right. It's still a good stretch for your upper body. Or maybe you can try stretching out your left leg. Activating that left pinky toe, just bring the right arm under, reach towards that left calf. Come down to the right shoulder, the right side of the head. Activating that left leg. Slowly come back to center. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you love this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share with a friend. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.